communicate your design ideas effectively and facilitate decision-making with Autodesk Showcase Design Exploration and 3D Presentation software for architects, designers, engineers, and marketing professionals. Quickly transform your CAD designs or BIM models into 3D immersive presentations, explore design options in real time with your team members and customers, and help them make decisions on the fly, whether they're in the same room or across the world. And if you're a Building Design Suite owner, you can launch Autodesk Showcase directly from AutoCAD, AutoCAD Architecture, or Autodesk Revit Architecture software. Let's look at the workflow from Revit Architecture 2013. Choose from any of the 3D views that are set up in your scene to start the workflow process. It is a good practice to set up the view visibilities to include only the necessary items needed for visualization. Let's use the Suite Workflow button with the option to export a Showcase realistic presentation. This workflow will send the current model to Showcase to create a realistic design presentation, including support for Autodesk materials, camera views, and linked objects. The new Task UI provides a guided user experience to quickly prepare compelling images, movies, or interactive presentations. Following the order of tasks exposed in the UI will help you prepare your scene. The Open File command lists all recently opened projects and allows you to open any file supported by Showcase. The Lighting Environments and Background command allows you to visualize your designs in different contexts. You can choose from a selection of predefined interior, exterior, or abstract environments. Lighting and shadows derived from the environment will be automatically applied to help you visualize your design in different contexts. You can also easily create your own environment from HDR images. The Adjust Lighting command allows you to adjust the light and shadow position in your scene. Move the highlight to emphasize certain parts of your design, or move the shadow to add contrast and ambience to your scene. You can also adjust the brightness level of your scene. The Visual Styles command lets you choose different ways of viewing your design. Choose between illustrative styles that let you focus on the design aspects of your model, or show your model in a realistic style. With improved rendering technology, it's never been easier to achieve stunning realism in the viewport. The Look command is where you start fine-tuning the visual look of your scene by enhancing materials and creating animated shots and alternatives. You can choose to view the scene using the default shot created based on the camera view that was exported as part of the Revit workflow. You can also, in a few simple steps, create your own still cameras, cinematic, or start-to-end animations from the Shots menu. Save the camera view into still images as you navigate within your scene. Create animations by choosing from the list of cinematic animations, or create your own from start to end. You have the ability to show your design from the angle that you want, focusing on different areas of interest. Another strong feature of Showcase is the ability to explore design alternatives in real time. The creation of material, visibility, or positional alternatives is simple and an efficient way to explore design options and help your customers make decisions on the fly. Showcase supports the Autodesk Material Library, so the materials that were applied in Revit are preserved. Selection and application of different materials in Showcase is a simple task with the option to select all objects with the same material. Then, it's up to you to try as many materials as you want and save your selection to material alternatives. In just a few seconds, you are able to create multiple material alternatives to demonstrate to your audience what a design variation might look like. The same easy process will apply for the creation of visibility alternatives and positional alternatives. As an example, positional alternatives could be used to save different cross-section positions to demonstrate sections or cuts through your design. Of course, the goal of bringing your model into Showcase is to tell a story. The Storyboard slide menu will allow you to aggregate all elements and add narrative to your presentation. Combine any of the environments, alternatives, behaviors, still or animated shots to a storyboard slide, and start to create a story where the elements will be played in a certain order. There are many ways to present and share your presentation. For example, you can present directly in Showcase using Presentation Mode. In Presentation Mode, you can orbit or walk around a scene, view storyboard slides, behaviors, and alternatives, all without making changes to the scene. This way you can let stakeholders explore the design at their own pace and get familiar with the project in an easy environment. In addition, colleagues or customers who don't have a Showcase license can interactively review and navigate Showcase scenes on their desktop with the free Autodesk Showcase Viewer. You can also choose to present two different design variations by using Compare Scene mode. This mode allows you to load two models side by side to help you compare the different variations and facilitate decision making. You will often want to share images, videos, and web presentations with your audience. You can access these options from the Publish command. Choose to share a still image of any size, an animation from either the storyboard slide or any of the animated shots, publish your video directly to YouTube, or create an interactive web presentation. Presentations can be created in HTML5 format and published on the Autodesk 360 Cloud platform for viewing on the web or on a mobile device. Showcase is a very powerful visualization, presentation, and decision-making tool. It brings 3D presentations to a higher level and helps you communicate exactly how designs will look, explore design options in real time, and help customers make decisions on the fly, whether they're in the same room or across the world.